Hey viewers, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Let's give you a little update, a little walk around update video for the Hyundai or the 84 Black Fiero. I have her running. I pulled her up front here. I don't have the taillights in yet. I don't have the back piece ready to come off yet. That'll be coming here very shortly. I got this piece here off. I've got to take and drill these rivets out, and I got to take the bottom piece off to get those rivets out to change the back piece here. I gotta get the interior parts so I can get these off and get to the screws for the roof. I took the tires off of the red one, put them on here. Took the headlight covers, I like the way those look. I think I'm gonna paint the car this color. I have the emblem. But she runs, she drives, she stops. She's only got 3 brakes. I've got to get the window sweep here. Pardon the wind noise if you hear any, and pardon the background noise. Climb down in this warm old girl here. It's hot. It's hotter than a 2-headed billy goat. So we'll take you guys for a little drive here. It's gonna be a little hard, but it smells like a mouse nest in here, so I gotta find where that might be. Not used to the clutch yet, guys. And there is no thermostat in this yet either, and still have the car alarm horn here. Let me get this car swung around here. Third. As you can see, the alignment's actually not too bad, really. Let's go neutral here. A slight pull to the right. Overall, not too bad. The brakes work. She's been sitting for a few weeks here. I'm in 3rd gear, taking back off here. It's not doing too bad. One of the last times I let this sit and drive it, the back passenger side brake locked up and was just a smoking a little bit. We'll get this back to the house and be right back. So here we are back. Shut her off. Remote deck lid. Set those keys over there. They are hotter than heck. So as of the moment, this is the only window that works, and the sunroof pops up. I gotta get these lenses. Guys, I mean, she's coming along pretty good. Just gotta get this piece here switched over, the deck lid changed over. There's the alternator. I got the other engine out of the 84 or Rusty. Gotta find my other wing nut here. I think that's down in here someplace. That's alright though. Now off of that other 84, I'm going to be changing the brake line that goes around here and along over to the driver's side, because this is the line is broke right above this wheel. Let's see how bad that oil leaked out. Oh yeah, you can see her, she's wet. She's warm. But guys, underneath, this car is like brand new. This car is immaculate underneath. And that's the thing that really surprised me. That's why I'm fighting to get a title for this one. Let's see if we can get you a shot under here. I mean, the subframe is clean. The e-brake cables are there. I mean, they're there. Needs a little work, I think. I think it's not going to work right now because the... sorry for the camera angle, guys. You know, the e-brake's not going to work right now. I don't think, because there's no caliper on the driver's side. But I mean, the rest of this car, look at this. Let me get you a shot of where the other one's rusted, and I'll show you this one to you here. Okay, right here. Look at this. All up underneath here. This thing is excellent shape. The subframe, look at this. It's just surface rust. If even that, it's mostly just dirt. I mean, look at this. This thing is fantastic under here. Well guys, you can see we just took this deck lid off, or the whole back section of the roof off. And this is all pretty rotted out here. And that's not taking much, like literally pull it back with my pinky. These wheel wells, you know, these wheel wells are alright, but look at all this down here. I don't know how well you can see that. Right there. It's kind of pretty rotted, but there's that. I just took this deck lid off. It's sitting up against the porch out back here. Get the engine out, as you can see. That wasn't too bad. Definitely interesting. I will say it's definitely interesting taking the engine out of one of these. Especially if you've never done it before. It's really not hard, it's just tedious. So this door skin here, I don't know, I might put that on hers, I don't know. Due to the damage on hers. This roof piece cracked on the other side right here. It's cracked on that side over there. Yeah, right there. Cracked right there. When it was lifting up on this, you can see right there the crack spreads open. It's really not too bad to get this off if the interior is already half apart like this one was. I'm going to probably use these extra wheels that I have on the wife's, because the 14s will be a little easier to find than the 13s. So when we got this off, you know, when we got the engine out, you know, my dad helped me out, and when I had to go to the U-Pull-It yard, closest to them, to get parts for the wife's car, there'll be an upcoming video for that. I had to go up there to get the parts before they closed. When I got back, my dad had already shoved the car up like this, right here. So I don't know if he damaged the gas tank or not. I hope he didn't damage the bumper too much, but I'm not gonna worry about it, I guess. There's a crack in it. So if there's some damage on the bottom, hey, if I get the car up enough, I can get it off. Pardon the noise, guys. It's Father's Day weekend. Happy Father's Day to those daddies out there. I know I am. So, happy Father's Day. Show you this side here. I have both the quarter panel pieces off on the bottom here. This car is becoming a great storage for some of the parts. But guys, this is going to be a wrap for the video today. This is coming apart and the other one's getting ready to come together here. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. Consider hitting that subscribe button and follow these guys. I'll put a link to their channel in the description below. These guys are awesome. They do newer builds. And this is kind of where I got the idea. of doing something like this. Goon Squad, they're fantastic guys. If you're watching, love your videos. Keep up the good content. Look for a link to their channel in the description below. And guys, happy Father's Day. Have a good one. Enjoy the weekend. It's nice.